With Create Studio 3, creating speech and lip syncing it to your 3D characters is really easy. Let's have a look step by step. Okay, so the first step is we need a character. So go to 3D Creator. Let's grab Tom, drop him into the canvas. There he is. All right. We go back to Studio and get a background. Let's try this winter cabin. Put it underneath. There you go. Right, let's just resize Tom a little bit. Yeah, let's put him in the foreground. There, that suits his lumberjack shirt and lumberjack outfit. So, right, now all we need to do is we go to the sound or the music tab here, and then go to the speech tab, and that will load two options to generate speech. First of all, we have these high quality voices. But before we do that, we're going to look at the Google Voices because you may not have access to this. Depends on which version you're using. But the Google Voices are available for free, so we'll do those first. So to generate speech, you type the text in here that you want him to say. So let's write, howdy. Want to come in out of the cold for a hot cup of cocoa. And you get 10 female voices and 10 male voices with the Google Voices. I don't get the chance to preview them here, but I'm just going to choose number 5. And then you click Generate Speech. And then you can preview that.
Howdy. Want to come in out of the cold for a hot cup of cocoa?
Sounds good. And then once you're happy with your audio, you just click Import. And then that will appear in your media library. By the way, I removed Tom's beard so that we could see his mouth moving more clearly. Okay, so now we have the speech here in our media library. We're going to drag it down to the timeline. And then you just, to sync everything up, you just click, if we don't sync the speech, then Tom's mouth won't be moving, but the audio will be playing. So let's just hear what that sounds like.
Howdy. Want to come in out of the cold for a hot cup of cocoa?
Okay, so that's what it looks like without lip syncing, which is obviously not what you want. So to lip sync, all we do is right click the audio clip, and then at the top here we have the option to sync with Tom. There you go, we just click sync with Tom, and that should now be synced up. So we play that back.
Howdy. Want to come in out of the cold for a hot cup of cocoa?
And there you have it.
Howdy. Want to come in out of the cold for a hot cup of cocoa?
Let's just run through it again. Let's just go from start to finish, and we'll do it very quickly this time. So let's just create a new scene. This one. And now let's go back and go to 3D Creator. This time let's get Linker. And let's have her doing an action to go with her speech. So let's see, click add a new action. Okay, let's try thumbs up. Yeah, that's okay. Right, so now we go to the music tab, back to speech, and let's just say, I just love being in nature. And we'll change it to female 3. Let's try British this time and generate speech. That's quickly done, and then preview.
I just love being in nature.
Okay. Import. Now we have the speech clip here. I believe it's the new one on the right. Yep, there it is. Alright, so we'll put that here. And we'll make that action shorter so it aligns with the speech. Okay, that's the shortest it can be. Right, now let's listen to that without it being synced.
I just love being in nature.
Okay, and now let's sync and play back.
I just love being in nature.
Okay, there you go.
I just love being in nature.
And that's it. It's very quick and simple, easy, and one click in the sense that you just click the lip sync with button or option, and it's synced. Okay.
I just love being in nature.
Howdy. Wanna come in out of the cold for a hot cup of cocoa?
I just love being in nature.
There you have it. Any questions, please leave them in the comments below and I will answer them. So now you know how to generate speech, add it to a 3D character, and to lip sync it in Create Studio 3. So now you can get straight into it in Create Studio 3. If you haven't signed up already, I've left a link for you in the description below, which goes to the official website where you can sign up, and if you want, you can take the lifetime deal as opposed to the monthly subscription fees. So I suggest you take a look at that. You can decide if you just want to subscribe for a month or two and come off again, or take the lifetime deal if it's something you're going to be using a lot. You can use the first month just to try it out as well. There's also an annual plan. Anyway, all of that is on the official website if you click the official link in the description below. Okay, thank you for watching.